There have been quite a few rumors over the past few days regarding the iPhone 20 family, expected to come out in 2027 and celebrate the first iPhone launch's 20th anniversary. For the 10th anniversary iPhone that came out in 2017, Apple introduced the iPhone X with Face ID, notch, and minimized bezels, providing more display space than ever before. The 20th iPhone anniversary is approaching and Apple wants to take the iPhone X design even further. We're 2 years away from the 2027 iPhone, but it's tough for Apple to keep major changes under wraps. Apple is supposedly working on a display that curves down around all 4 edges of the device for a borderless visual experience. There would be no bezels with a display that wraps around the iPhone S frame. Apple has started improving the durability of the iPhone. This year's models use Ceramic Shield 2, which is more resistant to scratching and breakage. Apple is planning to use a brighter, thinner OLED panel for the 20th anniversary iPhone. Apple will adopt Samsung OLED displays with color filter on encapsulation technology. Apple might adopt a custom HDR sensor for better dynamic range for the Fusion camera. 20th anniversary models would likely use a second-generation 2nm chip. The iPhone 20 models could get the A21. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.